Hello, I am Omar Ayyash, President and CEO of the World Trade Center here in Kentucky. Today, I'd like to talk to you about our training programs. You and I know that we put on some of the best training programs in the country. As a matter of fact, many of our participants, whether we do it in-house or virtually, travel from many states to attend our training programs. We do duty drawback, we do export compliance, we do intercultural intelligence. But today I wanted to focus on our International Trade Certification Program. International Trade Certification Program is a 3-day program. The first day is on market access, the second day is on logistics, and the third day is on payment and legal. For those of you that are new to international trade or versed in international trade, our training program is a premier training program. And the reason we call it a certification program, yes, there's a test that you'll have to do a couple of days after that, and the World Trade Center will certify you once you pass that test. The exciting thing, you won't believe how many conference rooms and offices I've visited, and I've seen the International Trade Certification plaque on the wall. Participants usually love being certified by the World Trade Center. It is truly an ecosystem developer. 13 different speakers from many different industries come and join us for that 3-day workshop. Sign on. Visit our World Trade Center website, www.wtcky.org, the best training program offered by the World Trade Center of Kentucky. Thank you and have a wonderful day.